What do you want?
Chocolate.
You want you want this sour?
Yeah, soy chocolate.
Ew. No, you don't want that.
Why?
It's sour.
Why?
What?
So I am gross?
No, you're not gross. I
Why?
love you.
Why?
You want to try it?
Yeah, I want to hold it.
Open your mouth first.
Want me to hold it?
Open your mouth. I'll do it first and then you can do it. Ah.
I just wobble.
What do you think?
Just like sour.
It's just like
Tomato.
sour and tomato?
It's just like the sour tomato.
It's like a sour tomato?
Yeah. Yeah, I did it.
You did it? You're so silly.
See that? You want to see it?
What? You want more?
Look, it's bubble.
Yeah, I didn't think so.